Alright, well, had a kind of shitty day today and lost my chain and the whole thing. The end broke off. So, should be repairable as long as it didn't uncoil. Hoping it didn't uncoil. But, we'll see. So, way to do this repair. Cut back some sheathing. How do you find good cable? Yeah, it's perfectly fine. Good. So, the way I do it, this. I don't like clamping on that, but it is what it is. Clean it off a little bit. This is like the most important part right here. Except this flux is, it's not really liquidy anymore. Probably because it's really cold here, and I should probably bring it in the house, but I never do. Anywho, put some flux on there. You get your silver solder ready. Get your map gas. Hit the bottom. Glowing red. Close. Let it cool for a couple minutes. So while it's cooling, I don't know if any of that was on video. I hope it was. I don't know if it'll focus. But I've done this repair dozens and dozens and dozens of times. Not so much on this cable. The k9-102 is actually a pretty good machine, but the ridgid cable on the k9-204, I swear, I had to do this once a week, every 2 weeks at most. But ever since I switched to the plumber tools cable, you don't need solder anymore. It's a good cable. But I do prefer rigid 1/4 inch cable over plumber tools cable. It's more flexible. So I don't know, but anywho, it's probably cool enough. Can't really see. What I do, I take it from here, and grab it like this. Any excess solder. Should be good to go.